Designers spent years mastering Photoshop. But now, AI can create entire artworks in seconds. So the question is AI about to replace Photoshop forever? Right now, the creative industry is changing faster than ever. Clients want cheaper work, companies want faster results, and beginners are confused. Should you still learn Photoshop or just use AI tools? Because honestly, AI is getting terrifyingly good. But here's what most people don't understand. AI creates, Photoshop controls, professional advertising, branding, photo manipulation, cinematic edits. Most of that still needs human creativity. Photoshop gives designers precision, control, originality. AI can generate ideas, but turning ideas into real professional work, that's a different game. But ignoring AI would be a huge mistake. Tools like Midjourney, Firefly, ChatGPT, and Sora are changing everything. What used to take 5 hours now takes 5 minutes. AI can generate concepts, thumbnails, posters, product mock-ups, even animations. And companies love speed. So no, AI isn't just a trend anymore. Here's the truth nobody talks about. AI will not replace great designers, but designers who refuse to adapt, they're in danger. The future belongs to creators who combine both. AI for speed, Photoshop for mastery. If you only use traditional methods, you'll be slower. If you only rely on AI, you'll look generic. But combining both, that's powerful. A lot of creators are struggling right now. No views, no growth, no motivation. And honestly, that pressure is real. But maybe the problem isn't AI. Maybe the problem is staying comfortable while the internet evolves. Because today, attention belongs to people who adapt fast. Creative people who learn new tools will always win. So, will AI kill Photoshop? No. But it will completely change how creative work is done. The next generation of creators won't choose between AI and Photoshop. They'll master both. And the people who learn early, they'll dominate the future. So what do you think? Team Photoshop or Team AI? Comment below and subscribe if you want more creative content about design, AI, and the future of creators.